Text.
Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that has no power.
A stainless steel LG refrigerator in a kitchen.
If your LG refrigerator will not power on, the issue can often be easily resolved with a few troubleshooting steps.
A woman looks inside the refrigerator.
Let's begin by checking the compartment lights to see if there might be a refrigerator malfunction.
The lights inside the refrigerator.
If the lights do not turn on, the issue is most likely with the power cord.
The cord plugged into a wall outlet.
The wall outlet or the circuit supplying power to the unit.
A circuit breaker box.
Unplug the refrigerator and check the power cord for any visible damage.
A user unplugs the cord, which is stripped away in one part.
If you do not see any, plug the refrigerator back in, making sure the plug is inserted fully.
They plug the fridge in.
After that, turn the circuit breaker to the unit off and then back on.
They flip the circuit switch.
Note that if the circuit breaker is off or a fuse is blown, the unit will have no power. If the unit still does not power on, you should check the wall outlet. Test another electronic device you know to be working, such as a clock radio or hairdryer, on the outlet that the refrigerator is plugged into.
They plug in a clock and hairdryer.
If the outlet is not working, contact an electrician to repair it. If the outlet is working, you should check the dedicated circuit.
An electrician in a hard hat repairs the outlet. Text. 120 volt AC, 15 amp dedicated circuit.
Your LG refrigerator requires a 120 volt AC, 15 amp dedicated circuit. It is important to note that if the circuit used for the refrigerator provides power to other outlets as well, then the required power supply will not be available for the refrigerator. This will prevent the unit from powering on, even when plugged in. If the refrigerator is not on a dedicated circuit, an electrician will need to rewire the outlet accordingly. If these troubleshooting steps have checked out fine, and the refrigerator still will not power on, then it will require repair service.
A woman dials her phone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 Leaders G Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Co. Ltd. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.